Managing your fleet just got easier with Track and Trace by Europcar, the only end-to-end track and trace solution available in Ireland. We put you, the customer, in control, so you're always one step ahead when your colleagues, clients or customers face breakdowns or urgent vehicle replacement needs. Track and Trace lets you see exactly where a vehicle is and when it will arrive, thanks to real-time location and timestamp tracking that delivers the service assurance your business needs, knowing help is on the way. Say goodbye to "Where's my car?" phone calls. Track and Trace keeps both your team and the driver in the loop with constant real-time updates. Easily track your vehicle in real time as it makes its way to you. Once delivered, you'll receive a time-stamped confirmation, ensuring you know exactly when the vehicle arrived. Stay updated throughout the vehicle collection process for seamless returns and accurate invoicing. As soon as a vehicle is collected, we take new photos to track any changes. This easy comparison ensures transparency and keeps everything simple and hassle-free. Fleet managers and procurement teams can monitor rentals at a glance, track exact rental durations, and verify vehicle condition, all within one secure platform. Ensure your drivers have full visibility, live real-time updates, and the peace of mind around all vehicle deliveries and collections that only Track and Trace can provide. Track and Trace by Europcar. Take the stress out of your business's fleet management and vehicle replacement needs with unmatched transparency, accuracy, and control. Talk to us today.